everyone knows that homeschooling families use and need lists. The Homeschool Planet to-do list widget is a place for you to keep those lists right on your desktop within your planner so you can see at a glance what you need to do. Or you can use a to-do list for your students or your spouse or your teacher aides so that they also know what is on their list of things to accomplish in a day outside their schedule and their chores. To add a to-do list widget, you simply go to your Homeschool Planet planner and choose Add a Widget. Next, from the drop-down menu, select To Do. You'll notice that your Homeschool Planet planner already has a to-do list created for each person listed in your profile account. You can use those 4 lists, but you can also add other lists at any time by choosing Create New List. Give your list a title. I'm going to say Homeschool Shopping for 2021-2022. Then I'm going to select OK, and now I have a homeschool shopping list for that year. If I decide that title is too long, which quite frankly this one looks a little bit to be, I can choose Edit, and I'm going to just say HS to tighten that up a little. And now I have a list for homeschool shopping. At any time, you can choose which list you would like to be visible from the desktop. You can also add multiple widgets so that you have different lists up. I can keep Juliana's list as well as my shopping list in the forefront. To add items, simply put in the text. I'm going to say feed Bubbles. When you have a series of items, feed Kitty. We don't have a cat, but you know. And since I'm going with a theme here, feed Puppy. Now, if I decide I'd like to change the order of those items, I can simply take them and drag them using the arrows. If I decide I want to omit an issue, I can select this. It will confirm, do I really want to delete? I'll say yes, and it'll be gone. Or I can check it off when it's complete, and it'll put a thin line through it. You can also send a to-do list to someone by selecting Send This List and then choosing anyone you've already entered an email or phone number for, and it will send it to them, or you can send it to everyone. Additionally, you can print a list by selecting Print Lists. Choose the list you want. I'm going to print my empty shopping list. And then when you hit print, you'll get a permission bar and your software for your printer will come up. You'll make your selection, single-sided, two-sided, all the normal things, and then select print and you'll have a hard copy of that list. If you have any other questions about how to use the to-do list, be sure to reach out and ask us. You can find information about other widgets in our user guide and on our YouTube page. Have a great day.